Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will introduce the feature of scanning Facebook groups in large quantities. This is the main interface of the software. Software has the main features such as account management, proxy management, convert link to UID, group scanning feature. Go to the Scan Group ID feature at the Setup table. You can choose Scan by keyword, Scan by profile, Scan by location. At the Enter keyword box, enter each keyword one line. Keyword today is Casino Thailand. Select the number of scanning groups for each keyword. Choose a group from how many members. Choose a group from how many members. Only scanning group without censorship. Select Scan Group Public. This is the status notification bar. Choose account to perform the job. Choose the time between scanning. Select the number of scanning groups for each account. Click Start and wait for the results. On the notice table will display the status of the work. After scanning the list, you can export Excel file for easy management. You can save Excel file name by customer file or scan date. Subscribe today and let's grow together with more expert content each week. See you next time with even more value-packed insights.